Now we'll do this again. Get you a little better shot. I can quit shaking. I think it's from going so long without my medicine. There's old Steely. Here's how I did it from the back. It's part of an old Jägermeister button, or pin, whatever you want to call it. See that little orange button? Now let me turn this light out. Ain't that cool? And watch how quick I can just turn it off. Gotta remember what button's at. Off. On. Off. On. That easy.